Hello! In this lecture, we will learn how to create the reinforcement of beams. Firstly, click a grid and click copy, constraint multiple, 5 meter, 4.5 and 4. Grid again. Click structure column, vertical column, high level 2. Okay. You can choose edge grids the same way. Okay. And now double click on level 2. Structure beam, this type, okay, from this point to this point. Click 3D header line. So this is the beam. Now select beam and extensions, reinforcement, beams. Firstly, the geometry, the family name M concrete rectangular beam, type 300/600, number of spans 3, 1, 2, 3, B and H, LB, HS, level 2. Okay. Firstly, stirrups. What is the type? The type of bar T10. Stirrup type. The cover is beams. If you want anti-shrinkage reinforcement, you can add what is the bar and what is the type of stirrups. Okay, anti-shrinkage reinforcement. Now stirrup distribution. The stirrup distribution S1 is 150, for example. Okay, so 150. Select and 150. Select and 150. You can change the distribution type. So S1, S2, S3. So click. S1 is 10 centimeter, S2 is 150, and S3 is 10 centimeter. LT, for example, 1200, and L3 1200. Okay, the same way for this span and this span. Now the main bars. What is the diameter? T16 and the number 3. Top bars, upper bars 14 and 3. What's LA and LB? 550, 550. You can change. Okay, and you can add LA and LB for the lower bars. Now additional top bar. You can add additional above supports. So select this span, bar above the extreme left supports. What is the diameter? T14. What is the number? What's L? What's LA? You can add all. Bar above the right supports. T14. What is the number? L left and L right. Specify all. Select this span, or you can click on span number 2 and 3. So span number 2, bar above the right supports, can change, and span 3, bar above the extreme right supports, 2T14. Okay, now additional bottom bars. You can add bar above the extreme left supports, or in the middle, or bar above the right supports for the span 1 and 2 and 3. Bar division of main top bars. For example, L max is 12 meter, so there is a division of bars. Now click OK. Click wireframe, ignore save. So this is the reinforcement of beam. Okay, you can see the south elevation, wireframe. Okay, this is the reinforcement. Click thin lines or remove. So distribution 10 centimeter and 150 millimeter.